Preparing for the Checkpoint CCSA R82 exam? This guide offers a practical, lab-focused study plan for 2026. The Checkpoint CCSA exam is designed to test your readiness for a real-world administrator role, which is why a study plan based on memorizing exam dumps is a weak strategy. The official materials focus on your ability to manage security gateways and software blades, use Smart Console, and understand the Gaia OS. True preparation means you can build a policy, monitor its effects, and explain why it works. This is about developing practical skills, not just recalling definitions from a list. Let's cover the official facts for exam 156215.82. You'll face 100 multiple-choice questions in 90 minutes, and you need a score of 70% or higher to pass. The exam fee is listed as $300 USD, but you should confirm the final price with Pearson VUE. Most importantly, for 2026, the older R81.20 exam is set to retire on June 30th. Make sure you are studying the R82 material and scheduling the correct 156215.82 exam to avoid any last-minute issues. A significant challenge when preparing for the CCSA is navigating the sea of outdated information online. Many websites recycle old content from R80 or R81.20 and simply change the title to R82. This can be dangerously misleading. Use a simple rule to protect your study time. If a resource doesn't explicitly mention the 156215.82 exam code and the current Pearson VUE retirement timeline, treat it with caution. Your final week facts should always come directly from Checkpoint and Pearson VUE. The article's 6-week study plan is built around administrator tasks. Week 1 focuses on architecture, Gaia, and Smart Console, with the goal of being able to draw the entire system flow from memory. In Week 2, you'll dive into administrators, sessions, and objects, creating examples of changes and noting their side effects. Week 3 is dedicated to security policy and rule-based logic. By the end of this week, you should be able to explain precisely why different traffic flows match or miss specific rules. The plan continues in Week 4 with policy layers, identity awareness, and HTTPS inspection. Your lab work should focus on building cue lists for troubleshooting these complex topics. In Week 5, you'll cover application control, URL filtering, threat prevention, and monitoring, with the practical goal of reviewing logs for various event types. Finally, Week 6 is for consolidation. Take mixed practice sets, review your weak areas, and master exam timing. For every question you miss, write the solution as an administrator action. To succeed on the exam, you must think like an administrator solving a real problem. If a user can't access a site after you enabled HTTPS inspection, what do you check first? Think about trusted CAs and bypass rules. If a policy change doesn't seem to work, did you remember to publish and then install it? The best answer on an exam question usually follows the logical workflow of a professional. Verify, publish, install, and then monitor the logs to confirm the outcome. This administrator-focused approach is key to passing the CCSA R82 exam and becoming a job-ready professional. Don't just memorize facts. Build the skills to manage and troubleshoot a checkpoint environment. For the full 6-week study plan, detailed topic breakdowns, and links to official resources, read the complete guide on openexamprep.com. You can also test your knowledge with our free CCSA practice questions to turn each objective into active recall.